upbeat music, AI visuals transitioning from ChatGPT, Gemini, DALL-E, and more. Are you tired of managing multiple AI tools, juggling subscriptions, and draining your budget just to stay ahead in today's fast-paced world? What if I told you there's a solution? Imagine unlocking all the top AI models in one simple dashboard, no subscriptions, no hidden fees, just pure AI power at your fingertips. Introducing AI IntelliKit, the all-in-one AI toolkit that gives you access to the most advanced AI models for writing, design, content creation, video editing, and more. With AI IntelliKit, you can create stunning visuals using DALL-E, write compelling content with ChatGPT-4, generate videos with Stable Diffusion, and even convert speech to text with Whisper Pro, all without monthly fees. No more wasting money on multiple subscriptions. Pay once and get lifetime access to the most powerful AI tools. It's convenience, creativity, and cost-effectiveness all rolled into one. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, designer, or entrepreneur, AI IntelliKit is your all-in-one solution for maximizing productivity and taking your projects to the next level. And the best part? You can access it today at an exclusive launch discount. Don't miss out, this offer won't last long. Join thousands of creators and professionals who have already revolutionized their workflow with AI IntelliKit. It's time to stop juggling tools and start creating smarter. Ready to unlock the full power of AI? Click the link below and get started with AI IntelliKit today.